Hello friends, our question is find the value of a and b from equation number 1 square root of a plus square root of b is equal to 10 and equation number 2 square root of ab is equal to 10. Now on solving this problem we have given that square root of a plus square root of b is equal to 10. This is equation number 1. Square root of ab is equal to 10. This is equation number 2 and find the value of a. Find the value of b. Equation number 1. Squaring both the sides. Squaring equation number 1. Both the sides. Square root of a plus square root of b whole square is equal to 10 square. Squaring both the sides. Open this square root of a square plus square root of b square plus 2 square root of a times of square root of b is equal to 10 square is 100. This square and this square root will be removed plus this square and this square root will be removed plus 2 times of square root of ab. It can be written as square root of ab is equal to 100. The values of square root of ab is equal to 10. Putting here a plus b plus 2 times of 10 is equal to 100. A plus b plus 2 times 20 is equal to 100. 100 move to 20 move to right side. A plus b is equal to 100 minus 20. A plus b is equal to 80. This is equation number 3. Squaring both the sides of equation number 2. Squaring equation number 2 both the sides. Equation number 2 is square root of ab is equal to 10. Square root of ab is equal to 10. Squaring both the sides. This square and this square root will be removed. ab is equal to 10 square is 100. b is equal to square root of b is equal to 100 over a. Putting the value of b in equation number 3. Equation number 3 is a plus b is equal to 80. A plus b is equal to 80. The values of b. A plus 100 over a is equal to 80. Here is in this upon 1 taking as a LCM a multiply by a into a square plus 1 into 100 is equal to 80. In this upon here 1 now cross multiplying by 1 into this a square plus 100 is equal to 80 into a. 80a move to left side. A square minus 80a plus 100 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. Now comparing the equation of normal form, capital A into small a square plus capital B into small b plus capital B into small a plus c is equal to 0. Capital A into small a square plus capital B into small a plus c is equal to 0. On comparing equation number here, capital A is equal to 1, capital B is equal to minus 80 and c is equal to 100. Now applying the formula of ए इज इक्वल टू माइनस बी प्लस और माइनस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4 इंटू ए इंटू सी over 2 into a. The values of arbitrary putting here. A is equal to minus into minus 80 plus or minus square root of minus 80 square minus 4 into the values of a 1, the values of c 100 over 2 into the values of a 1. A is equal to multiply by minus minus plus 80 plus or minus square root of 80 square is 6400 minus multiply by 4 बन जा 4 400 जा 400 over 2 बन जा 2. A is equal to 80 plus or minus square root of subtracting 6000 over 2. A is equal to 80 plus or minus 6000. It can be written as 400 into 15 over 2. A is equal to 80 plus or minus square root of 400 is 20 and square root of 15 over 2. A is equal to 80 over 2 plus or minus 20 over square root of 15 over 2. 2 बन जा 2 2 4 जा 8 40. A is equal to 40 plus or minus 2 बन जा 2 2 बन जा 2 10 10 square root of 15. This is the values of A. To find B. Now the equation number 3a plus b is equal to 80. A plus b is equal to 80. The values of A putting here. A move to right side. B is equal to 80 minus A. B is equal to 80 minus the values of A 40 minus 40 plus or minus square 10 square root of 15. B is equal to 80 multiply by minus in under bracket minus 40 minus plus 10 square root of 15. B is equal to 40 minus plus 10 square root of 15. A1 comma B1 is equal to 40 plus 10 square root of 15 comma 40 minus 10 square root of 15. This is the values of A1 and the values of B1. And A2 comma B2 is equal to 40 minus 10 square root of 15 comma 40 plus 10 square root of 15. This is answer. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.